You guys should switch bikes and try them. So you can see what a hardtail's like, and he can see what a full suspension's like.
You want to?
Are they both unlocked?
Oh, yeah.
Because you haven't ridden a hardtail yet, have you?
Nope.
So you should be okay on this once you get on.
Because I can keep the seat wherever I need to.
Yes.
So.
Is it too? I don't think it's too high for you.
I do want to switch back though.
Of course.
Oh yeah, we'll just go like a little ways.
But that's a full suspension.
We need to put.
But I'm telling you, wait till you get on it, because the whole bike is like a trampoline. I'm telling you, when I got on, I was like, whoa, this is different. Get on,
go like this.
Yeah, see that one don't move.
So surprised.
That one's gonna move.
Yeah.
And this one, when you go over jumps, you can go like spring. But because you haven't ridden a hardtail, huh? Oh, yeah. Dude, I'm telling you. So what it does, it makes the bumps better, easier on you. And when you go down rough stuff, it keeps the wheel planted on the ground.
Yeah.
So it's not going, it's not sketch. You go first, you'll go second, then I'll go last. Just follow we're gonna go out here, you know when you get to that bridge?
Yep.
Take a right. And just follow the trail. I'll be right behind you, so.
So low.
Well, you can raise it. It will be different, G. And it's for her weight, not yours. Huh?
I was like stuck.
Do you want to try this? Well, get past that sign first, because
I know, I need to.
I'm curious to see how you like a hardtail. I'm hitting a lot of crap too, because I'm curious to see what your take is on it. Gee, looks like his seat's too low.
Is that as high as it goes, Steve?
Does it feel much different? The bike looks a little big for you, but not crazy big. Jennifer's riding a hardtail. Grayson's riding a full sus. It's gonna be a sharp right turn, G. Look at Grayson trying to haul ass. Just drive over it. He's having fun. Yeah, I do it all the time. Oh, we all had to stop for Grace. You just got to ride over it. It's just like a little bump. Well, once you stop and try to go, then you're screwed. Put the seat down, but are you good? You got this. I'll probably be the only one that crashes. Yep. Watch for walkers. Yeah, you look good on that, G. Hey, how high is that seat? All the way? Huh. Yeah, it doesn't look too... It's a little small for you, obviously, but it looks okay. Huh, I wonder why. Where are yours normally? So you can't really use this dropper because it'll be too high? You're way high. Your center of gravity's way high. That's funny.
That was too high.
I usually jump right there, little.
Yeah. Do you notice the difference on the bumps, Steve?
So you won't notice it much right here because we're not doing much sketch stuff. But if we were over on like Wells Mills,
Yeah.
on those steep, like not steep, but downhills with a lot of roots,
Yep.
you would definitely notice a difference. Because the hardtail is hard,
Yeah.
and it skips around in the back, but it makes it fun.
I noticed it when I hit a root that I feel it more, but not
Yeah.
bad.
Well, his tires are nice and cushy too today.
Yeah.
There's a lot of grip on those tires. You can go around, you can go over it. Just keep pedaling. You're good.
I can't believe I did them both.
Everybody did them. I hit my pedal. Nice job, y'all.
I can't believe I did them both.
Heck yeah. Now you get to know.
Better grip for sure.
Yeah, we'll get him some.
Yeah, like these are not grippy.
He's got to ride more than once a year before I invest in that bike anymore. I already put a dropper on it. And tires. It's a nice bike too.
Yeah,
It's brand new. Well, it's a cross country really. I mean, it's a hardtail, but the way they put those other tires, it's almost like a cross country. Here's the sand on the bottom here. Just drive through it to the right. Just keep going. Nice. Huh?
I felt the back tire, but it's not bad.
Yeah. Even these slide a little bit.
Yeah. Woo. Good job.
I'm telling you, if he come out here more, he'd be good at it. So make sure you shift climbing on the very last part here. And keep your dropper up a little. But it gets a little steep. You might want to give him some space.
Yeah.
I'll give you a little space. It's going to be a downhill, then a climb, G. And then we turn right into the by the big building. Cool. On your left, G, shift down, because how you doing? There's a ton of people down there, if you're wondering. I don't, it must be the weekend because everybody's still on the trail.